top 10 Turkish names. Let's see. Oreo. Number 3. I know, biscuits. Let's see. Elala. Elala, number 10. Very nice. Let's see. Arda Tarkan. Number 7. I know, football player. Let's see. Dolphin. Animal. Fish. Number 6. Let's see. Elf. Elf also. Elf, it's, he lives in the igloo. Number 5. I know. Very small man. Alibaba. Number 1. Let's see. Yusef.